This is so cool. Linda Muma live in Denair, where she is getting a little feel for drone camp. Good morning. Yeah, and I got to keep my eyes peeled because these drones are kind of whizzing around us as we speak. There's all kinds of drones flying here in the gym at Denair High School. This is taking part all week long here in Stanislaus County. Okay, Carrie, you're the principal here. Tell me what it's like to host a camp like this. This is the first one of its kind here on campus.
It's very exciting. We're thrilled to be able to host 50 kids in Stanislaus County here at Denair High School.
Yeah, so they're taking part. You've got morning sessions and then you've got afternoon sessions. Really cool to see these drones take to the skies here.
Yeah, it's really exciting. They come about 8. The first camp's from 8 to 12 and the second camp's from 1 to 5. So they're super excited. They're in 3 different groups, inside, outside. They have a VR camera on outside. We're just really thrilled to have them here.
Yeah, lots of activity going on campus. Okay, so now the company is from outside of the area. They're from Ohio. It's called Drone Camp. You put these on all over the country.
Yep. Yeah, we've been to Cleveland, Ohio, Sioux City, Iowa, Atlanta, Georgia, and now we're out here in Denair, California.
Okay, what kind of drones are we seeing flying around?
The little one you see right here is a little Parrot Mambo. These are probably, for your money, the best drone you can get inside. And then the other kids are outside flying a Mavic Pro, which is probably one of the best drones made by DJI right now.
And what are they learning this week?
So this week they're learning about just very basic FAA rules and regulations.
Nice.
We're telling them where they can and cannot fly because so many kids get drones and they really don't know any of the rules of where they can fly. So we're just trying to go over some basic rules here and hopefully help them in the future if they ever decide to have a career in flying drones.
I'm seeing lots of flips, lots of tricks. They get to fly the drones, but you have some simulators that are a part of this camp too. Tell me about that.
So we use a drone simulator that before they fly, they use it hoping that that when they are flying the drone, it improves their skills a little bit. Because if we crash these drones too much, they'll end up breaking. So the whole time we're just trying to get them better and better at flying drones.
Okay, now we've got students 9 to 15 years of age taking part, including my girl Rachel over here, who's giving me some air conditioning a little bit earlier with the fans from the drones. Okay, you were telling me that you just learned how to fly a drone yesterday?
Yes.
What is it like to take part in this camp?
It's taking part in the camp. It's like learning how to fly drones and learn and do good at it.
It's pretty cool, right?
Yes.
Okay, you were showing me some tricks. Show me what you got. Show me what you got.
Okay.
Oh, nice. Oh, wow. You learned how to flip it.
Mine's dying.
Isn't that pretty? That's awesome. Okay, so this is taking part all week, and then on Friday, they're actually going to get little wings where they become an honorary junior drone pilot, and they're going to hold a ceremony.
Oh, great.
So that is going to be what it's all about on Friday. We'll send it back to you guys in the studio.
How fun.
Look
Boy.
at that go.
This isn't even something we could have imagined.
No, not at all.
Drone camp.
No, here's our summer. Go play outside. Go ride your
Or
bike.
maybe we can
right?
go to swim camp or...
Yeah.